Hello everyone! Today I'm going to do an unboxing of BTS travel book. BTS travel book is a Korea travel guide specifically prepared for ARMY. It features Korean phrases you can actually use during a trip and lots of useful tips for traveling in Korea. Let's take a closer look. There are two versions differentiated by color. The blue one is the global edition, and the pink one is the Japanese edition. The content is the same, and the language is the only difference. The book is structured like a game, where you complete missions one by one as you visit various locations related to BTS. As you can see, there are pixel art elements. These are the beach umbrellas from one of the photo stands included in the Butter album. Now let's open up the book. The table of contents shows 3 stages with several missions for each. 어서와, BTS TRAVEL은 처음이지. Looks like this is about how to get ready for a trip. ARMY, 여기야 여기. Stage 2 seems to introduce various BTS-related locations. 달려라 ARMY seems to showcase all kinds of activities ARMY can enjoy. Actually, one of the reasons why I want to travel in Korea is to feel a connection to BTS by visiting places related to them. I'm so stoked about doing these missions because I think they'll make me feel like I'm hanging out with BTS. The first part seems to be a brief description of Hangul and South Korea. And these places on the map must be covered in the rest of the book. 20 locations in total. Finally, we are on chapter 1. Oh, how cute! Just like starting a real game. 어서와, BTS TRAVEL은 처음이지. In the intro of Jaro, RM goes, 어서와, 방탄은 처음이지. I guess this is a reference to that. This is a photo from Bon Voyage. 한국 여행 즐길 준비 되셨나요? Yes, I'm ready. I'm so excited because this feels like I'm going on a trip with them. Oh, there's a cute character here too. Oh, I really love Jin's hair here. You can see game graphics here too. In this chapter, you can learn about Korea to get ready to travel there. 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울. Korea has 4 seasons. Which season is your favorite? I like how the book includes many photos of BTS. This picture, the way they are all huddled around Suga just looked so adorable. This chapter is titled Run Into the Album. This photo is from the You Never Walk Alone album, and I really love it. Look at their faces. Don't they all look so happy? The first mission of this chapter is to put your arm around another ARMY and take a picture at the BTS bus stop. The difficulty rating is 2 stars. Korean skills rating is 2 stars. And with BTS rating is 3 stars. This is the photo from their album, and this is a photo of the actual bus stop on Hyangho Beach. It was taken down once the filming was over, but it was later rebuilt for the many fans who wanted to visit the location of the album photo shoot. Oh, I see. I really like to visit this place and take pictures like BTS. This is a scene from the music video of Spring Day. These sneakers are cute too. You can see the address of the BTS bus stop and how to get there here. This kind of information will be handy when I plan my trip. I'm reminded of the first scene of the music video of Spring Day. V looks so full of feels in that scene. I guess it was filmed at Iryong Station. I see a QR code here. Oh, it opens the music video. Korean tips. 죄송한데 여기서 일용역 어떻게 가요? This is how you ask for directions. To be honest, I'm really bad with directions. I'll have to memorize this phrase for sure. 여기서 향후해변 어떻게 가요? BTS 버스 정류장 어떻게 가요? Below, you can see the address and how to get to Iryong Station. That concludes the first mission of Chapter 4. Let's take a picture. Yes, I love to take a picture with J-Hope. This book gives you a mission for each place and even introduces different food items and activities you can enjoy. Each chapter is followed by a bonus stage. Wow, I love all these group photos. ARMY! I really love this picture. Jungkook is congratulating me on becoming a BTS travel master. Even just looking through the book gives me a sense of accomplishment. I can't wait to go to Korea and take on all these missions. At the end of the book, you can find telephone numbers and phrases that may be helpful if you run into unexpected situations, as well as an assortment of common expressions in Korean. Today, we took a quick look at this BTS travel book. What do you think? I think it would be really helpful for the fans as it neatly presents travel spots and activities related to BTS. I've been itching to go on a trip anyway. Maybe we should all go visit Korea with this book.